Hi, I'm Sharon Bulova, Chairman of the Board of Supervisors. I hope you enjoyed your summer and had a great Labor Day weekend. Except for a few committee meetings and community activities within the county, our board has been in recess during the month of August. With kids now back in school and summer vacations behind us, the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors reconvenes this Tuesday on September the 9th at 9:30 a.m. here in the board auditorium. Our board begins every meeting with presentations where we recognize organizations and members of the community and adopt proclamations to designate causes. The first major item on our agenda after presentations will be a public hearing and then the adoption of the county's carryover review for the fiscal year 2014 budget, which ended in June. The county ended the 2014 fiscal year with a relatively modest $11 million positive balance, and this is out of a $3.7 billion general fund budget. This balance is the result of about $8.3 million in more revenue than projected, a 0.23% of the original projection, which is pretty close. The rest of the balance was mostly the result of savings and efficiencies within county operations. You can view details of the carryover budget by going to the county's website at fairfaxcounty.gov/DMB. On Tuesday, I plan to recommend that our balance from 2014 be held in reserve in order to assist us with adoption of the upcoming fiscal year for 2016. We are still not out of the woods, as both the county and the state are affected by sequestration and federal cutbacks in contracting, which has impacted our commercial sector. The Fairfax County Public Schools have also ended the year with a positive balance of $23 million, and this is after absorbing the cost of beginning all-day Mondays for elementary school-age children. The Board of Supervisors expressed support for all-day Mondays at our Budget Committee meeting on September the 2nd, and I plan to move to increase the board's transfer to the schools as guidance for preparation of the next fiscal year 2016 budget, in order to accommodate the recurring cost of this program. Also on Tuesday, the board will vote on a number of admin and action items. A few highlights include approval of a written description of the transportation bond referendum that will be happening this fall. This bond referendum is for $100 million. If passed by the voters, this bond would fund bike and pedestrian facilities along with spot road improvements to address safety and facilitate traffic flow. These are components of the county's already approved 6-year transportation plan, which is funded by a number of sources, including state and federal programs and funds that come through the Northern Virginia Transportation Authority. The delinquent tax list for tax years 2013 and 2014 is also on the agenda, and an agreement for a new temporary parking lot for the Silver Line Riders and Tysons. Also, approval of revenue bonds for housing at the Government Center. Beginning at 3:30, our board will have a number of public hearings. This is an opportunity for any member of the community to attend and speak. If you ever wish to testify at a public hearing, you can sign up online or call the clerk to the board at 703-324-3151. Again, that's 703-324-3151. Some public hearings that we will be having on Tuesday include subleasing new space to the Arts Council and the Fairfax Symphony Orchestra, and a proposal to adjust a number of precinct boundaries and polling place locations before the November election. Details of all items that are on our agenda can be found on our county's website. To watch our meeting on Tuesday, You can either catch us on live stream at fairfaxcounty.gov, you can watch at home on Channel 16, or you can join us right here in the board auditorium. An engaged community is a well-served community, and it's always my pleasure to serve you as chairman. Have a great day, and thanks so much for your interest in Fairfax County government.